Hi everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Things have been really crazy this year. I didn't always feel like it was the right time to make videos about makeup, but something really exciting came out and I was able to get my hands on the Cremated Collection by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and after ordering it on May 12th and then waiting literally a month for it to ship, I finally got my package. I've been waiting. I haven't even opened the box. I did cut the tape ahead of time because if you recall my first video, I had quite a bit of trouble opening the boxes from Jeffree Star. So to avoid that from happening again, I did pre-cut the box, but I have not opened it. I have not peeked inside. I haven't seen anything. So I'm really excited to see this and play with this with you guys. And with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to open the lid. This is what it looks like. It has black tissue paper inside. I'm just going to open that up. On top I have two glosses. I have the gloss, which was from the Shane Dawson collection, but I didn't get it then, so I managed to grab one of those. And then Coroner's Kiss. And then three other glosses. We've got Funeral, Parlour, Heaven's Gate, and 6 Feet Under. And I'm so excited for this palette, the Cremated palette. It has this really cute tissue paper with urns on it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, the packaging is so cool with the little peekaboo window. Here she is in all her glory. Oh my goodness. How stunning is that? So I think what I want to do is on one eye do like a really smoky, super glam look, and then on the other eye do something that's a little more everyday glam, because I still plan on playing with the glitters and the sparkles in here, so it will still be a little glam. I'm going to start by applying the shade Casket Ready all over my lid. So I'm just going to take my brush and apply that on my lid and a little bit into the crease, but not truly in the crease. I'm already noticing there is quite a bit of fallout in the pan. That doesn't bother me, but if it bugs you, already that's a thing. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go into the shade Obituary. And I'm going to apply that to my crease. Ooh, that's pretty. I want to build that up a little bit more. I love this already. It's already giving me smoky eye vibes. I'm really excited about it. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Eulogy. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer part of my crease. Ooh, that is smoky. Okay. For my lid, I'm gonna go in with two of the like sparkly shades. I'm going to use the shade Last Look on the middle part of my lid, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply that. And then I'm just going to take that same brush that I used with Eulogy, and I'm just going to blend those together a little bit more. I did get some fallout on my cheek. Nothing major, it brushed away fine. On the inner corner and the very innermost part of my lid, I'm going to go in with the color Diamond Ashes. I'm going to go back in with that shade Obituary, and I'm going to run that under my lash line. Then I'll go in with Eulogy and do the same thing on the outer corner. I think that more or less wraps up the more natural glam eye. For my other eye, we're gonna go full smoky, full glam. We're just gonna go for it. I might start the same way. I'm gonna get that shade Casket ready and just use that as my base. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Wednesday. I'm going to apply that to my crease. Ooh, I really love this shade of gray. It's so beautiful. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Gravedigger and apply that in my crease as well. Okay, so I've applied Gravedigger to my crease and the outer portion of my lower lid, my lower lash line, and we are looking pretty smoky now. I'm going to take an even smaller brush, and I'm going to take the black color, Hearse, and I'm going to fully smoke out my outer corner. Happy with the placement of that, I will take my bigger shader brush and just kind of buff that in. So now we get to do the part that I'm the most excited about, and that's using some of these glitter shades. So for this look, I think I'm gonna go in with two, kind of like I did for the lighter glam look. I'm gonna go in with Angel of Death on the middle part of my lid, and then I'm gonna use Pallbearer on the inner corner and inner part of my lid. And again, I'm just going to use my fingers to apply these. I love this color. So beautiful. I hope you can see how sparkly and just, it looks like it's wet. Okay, and then on the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Pallbearer, which is a very silvery gray, metallic, glittery shade. I'm just going to use my finger to blend that into the Angel of Death color. Wow. Wow. And then I'm gonna take my little brush, and you know, I might actually go back into Diamond Ashes, the same inner corner color I used on the other eye, and do that on the inner corner for this eye too. And then again, I'm just gonna go back in with Wednesday, that first color I took, and run that along the lower lash line. I will say I am getting some fallout again with some of these shimmer shades, so it might not be a bad idea to do your eye look first with this palette. And then for both eyes, I'm gonna take the shade Death Blow, which is like the white in the palette, and just lightly use that to highlight my brow. Honestly, I think I don't need eyeliner with these looks. I think just some mascara will be enough. The eyes are already very dramatic. So I'm going to put some mascara on and do a little blush and highlighter, and then we'll be back to figure out which gloss we should wear. Okay, so we are back. I have applied mascara. I also put some white eyeliner into my lower waterline just to open my eyes up a little bit. Mascara is like a miracle. It's so funny how like you can look at your eyeshadow and be like, I don't know if I like that. Like I was really not sold on this eye, and then I put on the mascara and oh my gosh, like I love both so much now. I knew I was gonna love this one with mascara. It's just so sparkly and glam and dark and smoky and mysterious, and just it's everything makeup should be. But this other eye, I was really kind of hating it until I put the mascara on, and now I love it. I love them both. I'm so happy with how they came out. So this collection did come with 4 lip glosses. So these are the lip glosses. They're really pretty. Instead of going full goth, I think what I'm going to do is go goth light. So I have this MAC lipstick. It's called Lightly Charred, and it's a very nice light gray color. And I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to go in with either 6 Feet Under or Funeral Parlour. So I decided that I'm going to go in with the darkest shade, 6 Feet Under. And that completes the look. So I'm gonna use a little setting spray and talk about first impressions on the collection. Okay, so I'm ready to give you guys my first impressions on the Jeffree Star Cremated Collection. First things first, the palette. It's beautiful. The color story is gorgeous. I really love it. I knew I would like it. I'm a big fan of a smoky eye look. I love black. I don't shy away from dark or bright colors. But I like it even more than I thought I would. The one thing I will say with this palette that I have not noticed with other Jeffree palettes is that it did have quite a bit of fallout on my face. So it was mainly the glitter shades. The matte shades I had no issue with. They did have a little bit of kickback in the pan. That doesn't bug me. I will definitely be doing my eyes first and then doing my foundation and complexion when I use this palette going forward. That being said, I still love the palette. I can live with a little bit of fallout to achieve a look like this. Like especially this eye right here is just so freaking glam and so freaking sparkly and smoky and amazing that I'll live if a little bit of the glitter falls onto my cheek when I'm applying it with my finger. I will live. But I know for some people that's a deal breaker, so I'm putting that out there for you. As for the glosses, I love Jeffree's gloss formula. I kind of already knew I would like the lip glosses. They are very interesting colors. I don't know if everyone in the world is going to be super excited about gray or black lip gloss. But honestly, I used the black one today on this look. Yes, I used it over gray lipstick, but I mean, it gives it a little shine, a little sparkle, it's not like opaque black. It's just kind of a darker clear, if you will. I do think the most universally appealing one is this one here, Heaven's Gate. It's beautiful. It's got like almost like a snowflake type sparkle to it, and I'm really excited to use that in a future look. Everyone, it's been really fun to hang out and play with makeup with you. It's been a while and this felt really nice. I've been kind of avoiding it because things just feel so heavy and so wrong with the world, and I wasn't sure if making a video about makeup was helpful or even appropriate. But it's been several weeks and I just had the itch. I still love makeup. I still want to play with makeup. I still want to share that love with the world. So here I am. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. Have them subscribe too. I will see you in the next one. And for now, this is Hello Ia saying, see ya!